I'm working on this old 2004 Bobcat T300, and I finally got to the bottom of the problem. I haven't actually started it up and tried it out yet, but I already know that I found the issue. And here's what my trouble was. The boom would go up and down, but the bucket would not tilt. The pedals, mine are on pedals, not handles. The pedals would not move. The pedal on the left side moved. It's on the right now because I'm looking in here backwards. The pedal on this side, the left side, would not move, and it's because this is a lock that screws in to the side back here. It screws in there, and it locks this. I didn't know, but these pedals, they go up and down, but they don't go to linkage to the hydraulics. They do that electrically. This 3-wire plug up here, that's a variable 3-way switch, and it's that sends a signal to the hydraulics. I don't know exactly where it goes to on the hydraulics. That's another job to find out. But I got to the problem. I unplugged this lock and I tested these wires in here, and I am getting, with the voltmeter, I need a third hand to hold the camera and show you, but it does get to 12 volts when the system is turned on. And it's turned on right now without the motor running. It's just on. I didn't start the motor. I just started the whatever you would call it, like on your car when you turn the key to on, all your dash lights come on, but you don't start the motor yet. That's where I'm at. So the 2 wires are to this lock here. I plugged this lock in over here on this side, and it did not move. It did not click. But when I plug the wire back in to the lock that's on here, it clicks and it unlocks the pedal. So I have to replace this. And what does that say on there? I can't read that. I don't know if that's part of the trouble or not. Probably not, but because it's a 20-year-old machine. It's an 04, so it's 22 years old. Anyway, glad to get to the bottom of that. I'm just going to leave this out, and since the pedal works up and down, it's just not going to lock when I shut everything off. But who cares? That's not going to bother me any. So I hope that helps somebody if they have one of these machines. For those of you that follow my channel, if you remember, I had issues with not being able to release the hydraulics. I got to the bottom of that. Let me show you what that was. I paid the dealer $1,000, and they changed the alternator, and $600 or $300. They charged me $300 for the alternator and $600 for diagnosis and changing. The alternator was never the problem. It was the relay. This relay here controls the hydraulics, and I just switched it with another relay that I don't use, and that fixed it. So, you know how I found out about that? Just asking AI on the phone. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.